Here is a polynomial long division problem similar to the one you asked me about, period. Notice that I put it in descending order. 9x to the fourth plus 20x to the third minus 16x squared minus 14x plus 2. Even though the problem wasn't originally given to me in this order, you always want to put your terms in descending order. Next thing you're going to do is look just at the front terms. Look at your 9x to the fourth and your x squared. And it's very much like the long division process where you're asking yourself, what would I have to multiply x squared by to come up with 9x to the fourth? And that would be 9x squared. Now notice what I'm going to multiply by, I put above the other squared term. Degree in polynomial division is a lot like place value in arithmetic long division. So then I take that 9x squared and I multiply it through the divisor. 9x squared times x squared is 9x to the fourth. That's why we chose to multiply by that, so those terms would be the same. 9x squared times 2x would be 18x cubed. And multiplying all the way through, 9x squared times negative 2 would be negative 18x squared. And just like in long division, we're going to subtract that from what's above it. So 9x to the fourth times, or minus 9x to the fourth disappears. 20x cubed minus 18x cubed is 2x cubed. Watch your signs. This double negative here and here becomes a positive, so that gives us 2x squared when we combine those. Bring down your next term and start the process over. So now what would we have to multiply x squared by to make 2x cubed? Always looking just at those front terms. And we would have to multiply by 2x. So that's the next term in our answer. And now we take 2x and multiply it through our divisor again. We get 2x cubed again. That's why we chose to multiply that, to make those match. 2x times 2x is 4x squared. And 2x times negative 2 is negative 4x. As always, with long division, we subtract that from what's above it. Those cancel each other out, the first terms. This becomes a minus 4x squared, so those add up to be negative 2x squared. And that becomes a positive, so those add up to be negative 10x. This is the last time we're going to have to multiply through. This will be the last term in our answer, and we'll probably have a remainder. What do I have to multiply x squared by to make a negative 2x squared? That would be a negative 2. Multiplying negative 2 through this entire divisor would give us negative 2x squared minus 4x. Oh, I forgot to bring down that last constant. And that's a positive 4. And as always, we wrap that up and subtract it. That double negative here and here becomes a positive, so those cancel each other out. That becomes a positive, and that becomes a negative. So that is our remainder. So the remainder always goes over the divisor, and I'm going to run out of room here, but that remainder of negative 6x minus 2 goes over this divisor, x squared plus 2x plus 2, or minus 2. Sorry, it's really squeezed in there. Hope that helps.